Oof, yet again, another rough start to the week for Tesla stock. I mean, guys, we're down over 5% on the day in the midst of a green day for the U.S. stock market so far. It's about 1:45 p.m. East Coast time right now, and we have the Russell up 1%, the NASDAQ and the S&P up around 0.6%, 0.7%, and the Dow's up 0.9%, and the VIX is down 6%. So on a day like today, guys, for Tesla to be down another 5%, it's not looking great. So we have to break down what's going on with Tesla. We'll talk a little bit about FSD, China in this video, and we're going to break down the charts, what I'm doing with the stock. But first, guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Follow along for more content. I appreciate all of the support as always. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Take a sip of that coffee. Also important for you to do. And let's dive into it. So Tesla is down 5%. As like I said, all the indexes now are moving up, and you guys can see, I guess a positive sign here on the chart is the fact that we're not taking out the lows from last week, right? Last week on Monday, we hit 210, so it was a disaster. Or actually, no, that might have been on Friday. No, that was on Monday. Yeah, we hit 210, about 220 on Monday, so I guess we're above that point. That is a good sign, and we're also maintaining the lows from, I think this was Thursday, we hit 233 roughly. You guys can see that's where we're getting some support right now, but guys, it's still not looking great. Sure, we're holding support from Thursday. We're above the lows from Monday, but I mean, look at this 1 hour chart. We're still downtrending. We're actually getting rejected here at the 180 moving average on this time frame. Not the best sign. That's where we've been getting rejected on the 1 hour chart over the last couple of weeks. So to me, it's pretty clear the downtrend's continuing on that time frame. And on the 4 hour chart, you guys can see the same thing, right? We're pretty much under, well, we're well under the 180 SMA. Don't even, don't even look at that. I mean, yeah, we're well under that moving average. But now on this 4 hour chart, we're getting hit under the 50 SMA as well. Not ideal, right? And now, I mean, you guys all know this for the most part, but we've given back all the gains on the stock from before the election, right? We were at about $230 back early November, end of October. We then saw it double up for no reason, pretty much. I mean, there was hype. Oh my God, Elon Musk, Trump, what's going to happen here? There was a lot of hype, and now we've given back all those gains. We're right back to where we were a couple of months ago, which, I mean, I don't think the stock should have doubled. That was unbelievable. It got into a bubble. Let's be honest, man. On a 120% move, 30% move in the span of 2 months is just unbelievable. It's not like Tesla reported great numbers or the company, crushed on different metrics or, growth exploded. Nothing like that happened. We only rallied because of hype around the election, Trump, Elon, and so forth. And again, we've given back all the gains. You guys all know that. So let me show you now some news we got regarding Tesla, FSD, and kind of a little bit what's going on there. Let me pop this up right here, guys. And by the way, while I do this, make sure to join my free email list. That is linked down below if you guys want me to send you my top stocks every single week. Again, it's free. You might as well get in there, guys. So the headline here reads, Tesla stock dips as EV maker offers free self-driving trial in China, right? So let me come down here a little bit. You guys can see, wait a second, look at that cute little bunny for Easter here. That's adorable, man. It looks like here, driving the news today is a report out of China, one of the company's obviously most important regions. Per the company's website, Tesla is offering a free trial of its FSD full self-driving autonomous software on the mainland, but it's not enough to quell investors' fears. And the deal, which if you guys didn't know, runs from today, March 17th, through April 16th. And it isn't just limited to new buyers, but is open to any owner whose Tesla is equipped with the latest hardware, computer, software, and mapping data, according to a Tesla statement to its users. And Tesla's issues with self-driving in China are well known. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about this. Let me read it here for those that don't. The company has struggled with data collection from the vehicles in China because of the government's data privacy laws, which prevent Tesla from sending data collected in China to its servers in the United States. That's a big problem. And Elon even talked about this in Tesla's Q1 earnings call. You guys probably saw it. He said when asked about the FSD rollout in China, Elon Musk said the difficulties remain. He said we do have some challenges because they currently don't allow us to transfer training videos outside of China. And then the US government won't let us do training in China. So we're in a bit of a bind there. It's like a quandary. That's what Elon said on the conference call. You guys may or may not remember that. And Tesla is working with Chinese partners like Baidu to improve its mapping data by integrating Baidu's mapping information along with lane marking and traffic signal locations into its FSD. And this development is a marked change for Tesla's strategy with self-driving, which relies on visual data alone to evaluate road conditions and markings by integrating non-visual data for use with FSD. So this is a picture of people visiting the Tesla booth at the 2025 Spring International Auto Show in China on March 7th. You guys can see, which is pretty cool. And Tesla's FSD, listen to this, guys, is considered less advanced than rival software seen in Chinese brands, including XPeng and others. And BYD, which is the biggest EV brand in China, inked a deal with DeepSeek AI recently to co-develop new autonomous technology with its God's Eye advanced driver assistance system, a major threat to Tesla. And I'm not going to lie, man, that name, God's Eye, that's pretty sick. That's a pretty sick name. So that's going to be a problem for Tesla. I mean, we already know there's tension between the U.S. and China right now. Everybody knows that. And China is incentivized to push their own companies, right? Sure, Tesla is in China. They're going to remain in China for the time being. They're going to do business there, whatever. But they are incentivized. China is. The government there wants to push their own players. BYD, the list goes on, right? Their own chip manufacturers, blah, blah, blah. So, I don't know. Tesla might be in trouble in China, right? And according to this article, you know, they inked a deal with DeepSeek, right? Tesla's FSD is also considered less advanced than rival software seen in Chinese brands. It's going to be interesting. To say the least here. And looking big picture, challenges in China come on top of difficulties the company is facing in Europe, as well as brand erosion Tesla is seeing in the United States, right? And it's a struggle right now for the company. Demand is going down in the United States, right? And Europe, other regions, and there's boycotts. I mean, people are trashing these, dealerships around the country, which I don't necessarily agree with. I mean, that's not the right way to go about things at all. You know, protesters are harassing Tesla drivers. I mean, that's kind of ridiculous in my opinion. These people are, why are you harassing a Tesla driver? I mean, a couple years ago, people were praising Tesla for the environment, this, that. Now they're being harassed. I don't think that's right. These are innocent people in these Teslas like you would be or like you would be in a Ford or whatever, right? I mean, do you have, just because you have a Tesla, does that mean you're a bad person? I don't think so, so they shouldn't be harassed. It looks like here official confirmation of Tesla's global sales will come in early April when the company reports first quarter deliveries. That's going to be big. And let's see, I think JP Morgan, yeah, they cut their delivery forecast. JP Morgan is the latest investment bank to cut its delivery forecast for the company. Analyst Ryan Brinkman now expects Q1 deliveries of 355,000, down 8% year over year and down 28% from the 495,000 reported in Q4. Brinkman's new estimate is substantially lower than the firm's prior estimate of 444,000 and 15% below the Bloomberg consensus estimate of 418,000. And cutting the firm's price target from 120 to 120 from 130. Brinkman didn't mince words, so it looks like, wow, he cut his target to 120. That's looks like one of the lowest on the street here, which is pretty intense. So that's kind of what's going on right now, guys. I mean, we all know Tesla is struggling in the short term. Now, the $1 million question is, will Elon pull them out of the gutter and make this company succeed long term? And honestly, I mean, I think the company's already a success. Obviously, you guys know that. Look at the stock price over the last decade. It's done very well. The company is still, they own the majority of the U.S. market in terms of EVs, but they're short-term struggles. And Tesla is nowhere near where Elon wants it to be, where Elon sees it over time. So will his vision come to play? That's the $1 million question. Will there be a Tesla, FSD, will this be around, all over the country, all over the world? Will there be Tesla robots? That's Elon's vision, but we're not there yet. Will he be able to bridge the gap? We shall see. That's the $1 million question. And if you believe in Elon, buy the stock, right? Tesla is nothing, in my opinion, without Elon. Love him or hate him. If Elon left the company, this stock would be screwed, in my opinion. So you're really making a bet on Elon Musk if you're buying this stock. That's what it comes down to. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Follow along for more content and get your 30 free stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100 using that link down below or by going to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more free stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. So use the link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.